Every ERP process begins with a customer. At X Drive Motors, the journey starts when someone walks in with a vision. Today, that someone is Mariah, and the car she's about to choose will set the wheels in motion for an integrated end-to-end process.
Good afternoon. Welcome to X Drive Motors. Anything in particular you're looking for?
Yes. I've been eyeing the Legion X. I heard you offer customization. I want something sleek, white interior, panoramic roof, and black rims.
Great choice. Let me show you the available options in our configurator. We can customize everything, and your order will be tracked directly in our ERP system from this moment on.
This is it. Place the order, Legion X with full custom specs.
Order confirmed. You'll receive a summary by email, and our system will now begin planning your build from procurement to production and delivery.
Every production cycle at X Drive Motors begins with forecasting. In this meeting, Alex and Priya collaborate to prepare the upcoming quarter's plan and set the stage for Mariah's custom order of the all-new Legion X. The team is reviewing trends to plan their next move in the competitive EV market.
Good morning, Priya. I have analyzed trends, and our Legion X is outperforming expectations, especially the custom variants with premium interiors. Search volume is up 22%, and urban EV interest continues to surge.
Exactly. KL alone has over 300 pre-inquiries, and we're seeing rising requests for white leather interiors and all-black alloy wheels, just like the one Mariah pre-configured last week.
All right, I'm locking in a production forecast of 3,000 units. Regionally, let's allocate 1,200 to KL, 1,000 to Singapore, and 800 to Jakarta. Don't forget to tag at least 750 units for custom builds like Mariah's.
Confirmed. I've uploaded the data into the ERP's SOP module. The sales and operations plan is now aligned, and customization flags are set for procurement alerts.
The forecasting and SOP stage aligns market insights with production capabilities. Thanks to ERP, the demand forecast now flows downstream to demand planners, triggering the rest of the supply chain process and ensuring Mariah's custom Legion X will be built on time. With the sales forecast finalized, the responsibility now shifts to Nina, X Drive's demand manager. It's her job to translate the broad sales forecast into actionable demand plans by product variant, region, and timeframe.
We'll assign 3,000 units to KL, with at least 250 of them being the custom white interior Legion X configuration. Let's make sure this is visible in the system. Mariah's custom Legion X is scheduled for week 29, assigned to line 3. With this demand plan finalized, let's now release it to the master production scheduling module.
The demand management module ensures detailed, demand-driven inputs for production planning. By linking configuration details directly to forecasted volumes, ERP enables seamless transition to manufacturing without manual delays. With demand plans in place, the ERP system now transitions to Master Production Scheduling, or MPS. This module converts planned demand into a detailed production schedule, ensuring the right quantity of the right product is built at the right time.
From the demand plan, 250 custom Legion X units are to be produced in Kuala Lumpur between weeks 27 and 32. I'm breaking this into weekly production loads across our assembly lines. Mariah's custom Legion X, with white leather interior and black rims, is assigned to line 3 in week 29. I've ensured the line has capacity and that her order won't overlap with high-volume builds.
The master production schedule defines exactly when and where production should take place. Orders like Mariah's are now formally scheduled into factory operations, allowing downstream modules like MRP and procurement to prepare for execution. With production scheduled, the next step is Material Requirements Planning, or MRP. This ERP module ensures that all components required to build each vehicle are available, on time, and in the correct quantities.
MPS data for week 29 is loaded. Mariah's custom Legion X needs white leather seats, black alloy wheels, a panoramic roof, and the standard chassis, battery modules, and infotainment system. The system compares the bill of materials to our stock. Panorama roof assembly and premium seat upholstery are below threshold, but others are in stock. ERP automatically generates purchase requisitions for missing parts. I'll check and send to procurement for vendor processing.
Material requirements planning ensures nothing goes into production without the required components. The MRP module has flagged shortages for 2 components needed for Mariah's Legion X, the panoramic roof assembly and premium white seat upholstery. Now, the procurement team takes over.
We've previously sourced the panoramic roof from Clearsky Glassworks and the white upholstery from Luxtrim suppliers. Both are reliable and meet our quality standards. The purchase orders are being created now. Once approved, the ERP system will send them directly to the vendors, along with expected delivery dates based on our production schedule.
Through the procurement module, ERP ensures a smooth transition from material planning to sourcing. Real-time integration allows Jason to act quickly on system alerts, securing the required parts well before Mariah's production slot in week 29. With all components delivered and orders scheduled, X-Drive's factory now initiates the manufacturing execution phase. Here, Mariah's custom Legion X is brought to life on the production line.
All right, team, let's get this unit rolling. The production order for week 29 is released. Mariah's Legion X is in the first batch. ERP has issued the materials from inventory. Progress is tracked in real time. Each workstation updates the ERP as sub-assemblies are completed. By Friday, her unit will roll off the line for inspection.
Manufacturing execution allows for real-time visibility, quality control, and traceability. Every component used, every hour worked, all captured by the ERP system. Mariah's Legion X is nearly complete. As production nears completion, the sales process officially begins. In this stage, the customer's order is finalized, availability is confirmed, and logistics are prepared for delivery.
Yes, my custom Legion X is finally ready. White interior and black rims, perfect.
Mariah's vehicle is completed and passed final inspection. I'll generate the sales order in ERP and check availability. Stock, available. Delivery address confirmed. I'm triggering the outbound delivery document now. Her invoice is generated automatically and sent to her email.
Mariah's Legion X is finally being delivered to Mariah's home. Mariah's Legion X with full custom specs is now delivered to Mariah's home. After delivery, the final step in the ERP cycle begins: order settlement. In this phase, the finance team ensures that every cost is accounted for and the transaction is officially closed.
Mariah's sales order has been delivered and the invoice paid. I'm now executing settlement in the ERP system to post the actual costs incurred during production.
The system pulls in material costs, labor hours, overhead, and logistics expenses. It then compares them against the planned costs defined during budgeting.
Posting complete. Profit margins recorded. Revenue recognized. The financial trail is now fully reconciled.
Order settlement in ERP ensures that every financial detail, from raw material cost to final revenue, is accurately logged and analyzed. This provides X-Drive Motors with real-time profitability insights and full financial transparency for every custom car produced, including Mariah's Legion X. This concludes the ERP simulation for Mariah's custom Legion X. Through this end-to-end process, from customer order to forecasting, demand planning, procurement, production, and financial settlement, we've seen how an integrated ERP system ensures accuracy, efficiency, and visibility across all business functions. Thank you for watching. I hope this simulation has provided a clear understanding of how ERP supports real-world business operations from start to finish.